We're out here at the junkyard trying to get some of the parts that I need. I still need shift linkage and T-bracket. So we found a T-bracket. But the problem is there's no motor mount on this side where the T-bracket is. It's in a fucking 4-door EG. I seen it and for some reason I wanted to go look at it. And it actually had a B-series swap in it. So we're gonna see what's up with this, see if we can get it out. But I think the motor's gonna drop. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Well, look at this, Fast and Furious. This one also has it, fresh, oh, I don't know about fresh, but it has an LS. Has some spikes. Is it auto? It's auto. Look, and there's a clean ass hatch right here. That paint is hella nice.
He said he'll be back right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, let's scratch my leg. Ouch. Ugh. It's also auto. This shit kind of clean though.
You do me a favor?
What? Oh shit. Well, how am I doing you a favor?
Getting them.
Buying them? Fuck. Damn. Looks like we got some work to do. Damn. Cuddy just broke the whole car to bring it down for us.
Take these distributor bolts.
Oh, they got dizzy bolts? Yeah, I need them. Hey, thank you. Fucking bars. So we're gonna get the T-bracket from that one. I never seen the Honda of America. It's got some fresh headlights too. Somebody wants to come down and get them. Oh look, this is the fucking mount I needed. There ain't shit in here. And he just busted the fuck out of it. These seats are actually kind of, oh, this ripped, never mind. Oh, he has the locking, I need that. Damn, I don't got nothing to take it out either. He just busted all this shit. Cut my fingers. So much noise. Ooh, I almost died. That's that K-Series. Kind of fucking wood. But it's a success, bitch. Hector fucking saving the day. Got that shit out. Okay, they went back to go get some 10mm wrenches so they can grab a couple more things. I'm just still looking around. Here goes, look at that. Honda motor made in Japan. Mine says Canada. I've never seen the America one. That was weird. But here goes a perfectly good air conditioner off a single cam. I don't know how it translates to B-series, but that's pretty good. Just chilling here. People spend a lot of money on that shit. It's a 5-speed too. Another sedan. I want to find something cool, but nothing in here. It's all peanut butter interior. How many miles? 241. Yeah. Anyway, kind of nice little sedan. I forgot to give him the keys. Had to walk all the way back up front. I'm tired. It's hot. So, I'm going back outside. Alright, that was a pretty successful junkyard run. We're back home. My boy Heck in the back. Mike had to go to the bathroom. He ran inside to go take a shit. But, we got the T-bracket. I think Mike got some struts for his fucking trunk. No, he didn't?
Nah, but they're broken.
Oh. Yeah. He was gonna get struts for his hatch trunk, but I guess he ended up not doing it. But anyway, pretty successful junkyard trip, and we got the T-bracket and shit, so I'm happy. I need the shift linkage still, but we can get this shit to start without a shift linkage. So me and Hector are about to push the car into the driveway because it's a little bit shady. We ate some Taco Bell. I feel like shit. Fucking no more fast food, guys. We're starting a movement. No more fast food. But anyway, let's get this car together, man. I'm ready to start it. I'm trying to get this T-bracket in this bitch, man.
Push it back, bro. Like
oh,
that.
my arm.
Like
Sheesh.
Just like let it go.
Let it go. Yeah.
I'll tell one and push it back.
Technical difficulties, man. We're getting it. All right, we're back home. I don't remember the last time I filmed anything. But after we got the T-bracket on, we tried to finish up the last little things. I got the radiator fan switch wired up now. I was gonna run some wires for some of the gauges, but we ran into a problem. We have a heater hose that isn't going anywhere, and nothing that reaches. And I'm pretty sure it's like stock single cam hoses aren't long enough or something. So we're gonna have to figure this shit out. But the problem is we don't really know where it's supposed to go or what's wrong. And I can't find any hose diagrams that make sense. So that's where we're at, but it's almost ready to be started. As soon as we get this hose shit figured out, we're putting coolant in, pouring oil in, and I think it's ready to start.
You stupid, ignorant son of a bitch, dumb bastard!
We had to buy generic tubing because the heater hoses were just not long enough. It wasn't gonna happen. Single cam hoses are shorter. The block, I don't know, I guess it's just closer wherever the hose goes. But we got the new ones. We went back to the store like 5 times. Had a wrong size alternator belt. Got that worked out. Hector's putting on the heater hose right now, and they already put the belts on. The only thing left at this point, I think, is fluids. So we might be there. We might be there, ladies and gentlemen.
Jesus Christ, I've met some dumb bastards in my time, but you outdo them all. Get over there!
Yo, so we got the coolant bleeding. About to pour the oil in. About to put the axles on. This shit ready to go. Oh, my microphone not even plugged in. No. Alright, so we got this coolant in here. It's bleeding in, or whatever you want to call it, burping. I thought you told me to shut up. About to pour this oil in a minute. Getting these axles on. Then we're gonna turn the key. I still don't have shift linkage, so we gotta put the axles in to see if it's in neutral, or if I gotta hold the clutch or some shit. We're almost there.
To myself, fucking. But wait, this is an Integra harness, and no Integras come without AC. So why wouldn't this harness have the AC on it?
Probably clicked it.
Because the fucking AC would come over here. Wouldn't even be on the fucking harness.
I heard this.
So the axles are in. Axles are in. Putting the lower control arm bolts back in. Chris had to fix my thermostat housing because he broke it. Jose laughing. I don't know what's wrong with him. Oh, he's recording. I know I'm recording myself. It's not pointed at you, fool. We're almost done though. The sun's going down, but it's happening. It's about to happen.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Oh shit! Oil pouring in. I'm about to go put my phone on the charger because it's dead as fuck, and then we gonna start it. Almost there. I'm fucking excited. Okay. We're about to attach the battery. I gotta disable the alarm.
Pull it?
Then we're gonna start cranking this motor.
Pull it all the way out. It's all about time.
That shit finna start coming out of nowhere.
How you gonna loosen this shit?
Oh, you need an Allen wrench.
This shit straight. Where's it tight to go, man?
It's off my old battery. We'll be right back.
All right.
On there?
On there.
On.
Got a hot cable right here.
It still works. Okay. Aim it at the car. Yeah. I don't know what that. I think that's for the remote start. Yeah.
Say a prayer.
Oh, Chris.
Huh?
Shouldn't we prime it?
You have to.
Yeah.
Take these stupid ass fucking clips out. Okay, so we gotta plug in the right ECU because I forgot to change ECUs, and they're taking the injectors off so we can prime it and get oil through the whole motor before it starts.
A few moments later.
injector clips are being a bitch. I think it's ready. All right, heck.
You got the GSR ECU in there?
Yeah. Crank it or what?
Yeah.
Nothing on the crank pulley. It's all bolted in. Ah, fucking crank it.
Crank it. Start it.
Let the starter cool off for a second. Like 20 seconds, something.
What was that?
That's a mosquito.
We're just priming it. We're getting oil through the whole motor. Because otherwise, you know, it'll get hurt.
Alright, go ahead. Crank it again. Crank it till the oil light turns off.
So what?
Till the oil light starts flickering. Wait, Mike, there is no oil light.
Oil light's not plugged in.
Yeah.
You touch me?
That's good.
Alright, well just keep cranking it. We'll just do it for like a minute or something.
One eternity later.
It smells like hella gas.
Well, shit's unplugged. And none of the injectors are plugged in, so it's impossible for any gas to be going in the cylinders.
All right, well, I'm turning it over.
Is the fuel pump pumping it?
All right, plug them bad boys back in.
Yeah, I tightened it all the way up.
I mean, they want to be super tight. It's
He
retarded.
said plug them in.
All right, let's plug them in.
My boy Fobs. My boy Fobs.
That's good.
Give me heck. Hey. Am I tripping or do y'all smell fuel?
Smell
I
fuel.
smell it too.
I smell fuel.
All right, well, I think she's ready to turn on.
All right, you're
I
filming.
would say get your
Someone's phone. All right, we're cranking him. It's ready to go.
Ready?
It's time to
Go
shoot.
ahead,
Get
go
over
ahead.
here, bro.
Are we ready?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, I think it's good.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Don't let it really idle. Keep it at 2.
That's the shit.
Yeah. Gotta keep cycling. You'll burn the ring stuff if you let it idle. Oh yeah, no, I think it's been too much. Whatever, I guess it's stuck in here.
Something's leaking. You got gas leaking out. Something off.
No, that's not. It's
No, around the corner.
oh, right there.
Yeah, where that vice thing is. Whatever the hose. Or water or something.
That's coolant.
There's coolant coming out.
Yeah. Something looks like it.
Oh, this
the
leak.
gas
This
earlier.
leaking right
What's
here.
that?
Leaking out when they were trying to pump it in. Gonna get out.
No, this hose right here is leaking. That's why it smells like gas.
Okay. But it ran good, Taylor.
This hose
Yeah,
is
purse very nice.
That shit started
Maybe
to rust
Right
the
up to
fuck
tweak
up.
it now,
Just a
that's
manicuring now.
Yeah,
A little
pretty
bit.
much.
Cares, hella nice, bro.
That's great.
Fingernails and toenails.
I think your fuel rail hose might be fucked.
I have another
Looks like
one.
it's leaking right out there. Might pop.
Yeah, I think it's
moisture, huh?
it's definitely wet.
Compressing.
It's leaking bad?
Yeah, it's leaking alright. That's where the fuel smell's coming from.
It smelled like
Oh.
yeah, like it was dumping out.
Is it really coming
Boy,
out?
it fucking ran though.
It's weird.
No,
It
because
ran.
It was wet up here.
Okay,
too.
okay, you can
Ran.
Which is why it's fuel, so it evaporated like
Exactly.
So I need to change the.
compressor things. I like the
Need to
old
change the
style,
fuel
man.
rail or what?
Give me a screwdriver and turn the crank on the circle.
Yeah,
All these
that one
lights,
on.
my eyes.
No,
I
they
can't
they
see
just
shit
for
right
the,
now.
yeah. If you look at the
Well,
line
I think that's damn near gonna be it for right now. Oh, almost died. I can't see shit because this light is so bright.
Right. Okay.
But my fuel rail's leaking. I don't want to catch on fire. But it started. It ran. It sounded hella loud. And now it's not gonna run for 2 more days until I get tuned. But man, I'm fucking excited. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this camera later.
So she could have, whatever.
So,
You're not
There's a fucking hole in the fuel rail hose, I guess. I don't really know what it's exactly called, but that shit was leaking gas. I know I kept smelling fuel hella bad, but luckily I had like 3 sitting around from all the motors and bullshit that I've had. So Chris is swapping it over right now.
Finish them off. That's how we do it.
Yeah, right there.
That fuel filter leaking major. So with the new hose on though, should be good. Oh, almost tripped. Should be good. Ah man, I tell you, I accidentally revved it kind of high, just scooting forward and tapped the gas a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm so excited. It sounds so nice. I'm so ready. I can't wait. Geith, today's Tuesday night. Geith comes back tomorrow, and then he said Thursday or Friday we should be tuning, or not tuning. Well, yeah, we should be tuning and breaking it in. So it's happening quick, and I'm fucking ready. I hope you guys are ready. Man, I'm excited. Really excited.
Yeah, I be shooting like a turret, tire scurry when I hit the gas, always in a hurry, hitting top speeds, vision become blurry, but I still see the picture, so don't ever be worried. I hit the brakes when the time is right, don't have hindsight, only moving up in this light. That's one direction, very narrow angle for sight, and I'm only one dude, but I get paid like 5 mics. From now on, the only moving is forward, and like I packed up behind it, did it by my own accord. What's in store? Let me peek.